What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have the Go Sound Smart Power Strip. We are going to try to convert our house into a smart home, and it gets a little pricey. So we're going to do a little bit at a time. But the first thing we could start with is one of the cheapest things is the power strip. Now you can use this in case your kids are playing the video game and they're not listening to you and you want to cut them off. You can cut this off at a certain time. What we have to do is download the app and hook this up, and I will show y'all that once I get a chance. But right now we are going to do the open box on it. So well, not open box, unboxing. I always say open box, Best Buy stuff. All right, so we're going to do the unboxing on it. Okay, so if you want to cut this off at a certain time, cut the electric off at a certain time, this is what you need to do it. And obviously you can charge up your devices, USB right there. You get 3 outlet plugins right here, and we have some specs right here. All right, so it says it says 100 to 240 volts, 10 amps max. Okay, so for y'all geeks out there y'all go. All right, so you do need to know this because you do not want to hook up something that's high voltage on this. It could do some damage. All right, so let's unbox this. Alright, so the color I got was black. You can choose black or white, and to be honest, that's it. Alright, little instructions, and this is made in China. I don't know if that really matters to anybody, but most of a lot of stuff is made in China. So alright, so we have the Go Sound. Alright, that's it. You got the 3 USBs, the 3 inputs, and power button right here. Y'all can hear that. Got another button here. I don't know what that is yet. All right, so this is what the instructions look like. All right, so you do need to do all this stuff as far as getting to your internet and stuff. All right, so right here we have the Go Sound. So in case you don't know, if you go on your phone and go on your camera, you can aim your camera into the, I forgot what they call this thing, but the code. I don't know why my mind go blank, but when you scan your camera into the code, it goes to the App Store and you can download the app. So what I'm gonna do is screenshot and show y'all the process and show y'all what this interface look like when we download the app. Stay with me. Okay, y'all, so y'all navigate with me because I am new to this. I did not do no studying on this yet, so bear with me. I'm gonna try to make this quick as possible. I am going to screen record so we can do this together. All right, so like I said, go to your phone, go to your camera, look for the barcode. It should scan. Okay. Oh, sorry, I did not screen record. Oh Lord. Screen record. All right, so let me do that again to show y'all. Go to your camera. All right, now it came up, you click it. All right, Go Sound. Now we want to download. Takes us to the App Store to Go Sound. Hit get. install. All right. Okay. Click open. Sign up. Agree. Of course, you got to agree to policies. All right. All right. Now it says add device. So let's go add our device. All right. We let them know we got the power strip. Smart power strip. Okay, that's right here. The mobile phone is not connected to Wi-Fi, so I have to connect to Wi-Fi. All right, so we have to connect it to our Wi-Fi, you guys. No, we don't want to cancel my screen recording. All right, let's go back. Next. Password field is blank. Continue. If the indicator is blinking fast, please skip the reset steps. Turn on the device. Hold reset button. Switch for 5 seconds. Please refer to the manual. Alright, so let's go and hook this up. Comes with the protector. This comes with the protector on it. Alright, so we're going to plug this in. Alright, so this is blinking. So as y'all can see on the screen record is yellow, but on the machine it's actually blinking blue. So we're going to confirm the rapid blinking next. Alright, so it's scanning for the device. Adding device. Alright, it just clicked. So all the red lights are staying on. Connection timed out. Check term endpoints. Check if the device has been reset or indicator blinking quickly. I already did that. Retry. Now, oh, that's what I forgot to do. I forgot to put my password in for my Wi-Fi. Oh, Lord. Alright, sorry you guys. I didn't put the Wi-Fi password into their database. Alright, so we got a full click. It says ensure that the device is powered. Alright, now we on the second step, register on the cloud. And there we go. Quick and easy. Device added successful. Let's hit done. Alright, so this is what the interface look like. We have switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, and then we have switch USB 1. So I guess the one USB controls all 3 USBs. Alright, so let's just click it just to see what happens. Let's click the power button real quick. Okay, so if I hit power, nothing happens. Let's hit this outlet. Switch. Okay, so we can name our switches. So let's name it TV. Okay. Alright, now we can schedule. Alright, so we can make a schedule when we want the TV. Add a timer. Alright, so we'll get to that later. Well, y'all could do that later. I'm just showing y'all basically the interface. So this is pretty much simple. All the red lights are on. I just turned one red light off, as you can see. I'm going to click the other one. I'm going to click the other one. 3. And I'm going to click the USB. Alright, so I'm going to click everything back on real quick. USB 3. Switch 2. Switch 1. All right, simple as that. All right, like I said, you have the schedule. Over here you got countdown. So countdown, basically, you can set it, instead of scheduling it, you can just do it at that time or that day. So let's plug our TV. Let's plug our TV in. All right, so our TV is on. I know y'all can't really see the TV right now. Let me see if I could back this up a little bit. Come back. All right, so, all right, y'all can see that's the TV light, okay? Now I'm on switch 1, and I still got y'all on my screen recorder. So let me see if I can do this for y'all too. Might be a little too much, but all right. So TV is on switch 1. I'm ready to turn switch 1 off. TV turns off. I'm gonna click it back on. Oops. TV turns on. So this is something handy, something you may want to lower your electric bill, because sometimes kids leave their TV on when they fall asleep, blah, 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 or you want a set schedule. You can do that with this device. So that's the review of this. Let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna need to get, really, I need to get like 4. I wish they had more. Well, this is the only one I found on Amazon, but I wish they had more plugins where you could plug in, because this will be good for the computer desk too. So, yeah, that's it for this, the Go Sound Power Strip. All right. So I think you need to be on Wi-Fi when you use this. Let me see if I turn my Wi-Fi off and see what happens. Okay, so I'm still in the app without my Wi-Fi right now, and it's still working, because I don't usually use Wi-Fi anyway. So, but either way, that's the review of this. Let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, and subscribe.